Welcome back to YouTube How To. I am your guide, Andrea Jean. Today I'm going to show you how you can be successful on YouTube and get started in 2022. Now I have done this 4 times already in just about 2 short years across a fitness channel, a meditation channel, this how-to channel, and my largest channel so far. If you are brand new here, Andrea Jean Cleaning, I think we're at about 315,000 subscribers. It allowed me to quit a 6-figure corporate job that used to support my family of 6 100%. And I built my most successful channel while working a full-time job, 50, 60 hours a week. So if you are also working and you have outside things in your life and you're like, I can't do YouTube full time yet, I have the tips and strategies for you. I have just 4 simple tips that I want you to start implementing immediately after this video so that you can see the success that you desire with your YouTube efforts. And then at the end, as a bonus, I'm going to show you how much I have made thus far on just one YouTube channel with over 30 million views. It's absolutely crazy to say that. Really quick right here, these 4 tips that I share with you are actually going to be applicable for you. When I was just starting on YouTube about 2 years ago, all the YouTube gurus, my friend, they got teams of people working for them, so their tips don't necessarily feel relevant. And I am technically still somewhat of a solopreneur. I just have my husband now who helps me edit YouTube videos because I have several YouTube channels so that I can be the best teacher for you. But these tips are actually practical for you. Remember that when people have large channels and they're giving you YouTube guru growth tips, it's because they have people helping them with every aspect of what they be doing. And there's nothing wrong with that. However, I just did not find it relatable, especially if it was from someone that did YouTube full time. And the other thing, most people that are talking about YouTube and how to do YouTube haven't really built channels outside of a YouTube growth channel. And my guess is you're probably not building a YouTube growth channel, are you? And if you are, that's cool. But let us know in that comments box below what kind of YouTube channel you have or you are considering building. Tip number 1, this is oh so important. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need all the cameras. You don't need all the lighting. You don't need a branded logo watermark. You need none of that stuff when you are first getting started. Because remember this, when someone is consuming your video or your YouTube content, they're more interested in what you're saying, the words that are coming out of your mouth, or the benefit that you are providing to them. They don't care how cool you've edited stuff. They don't care what camera you use. They don't care if you have a really cool logo to represent your brand. They don't care about your brand colors. Yes? Think about it for yourself as a consumer. When you land on someone's brand new YouTube channel, you're not thinking about, man, that was a really cool transition with their YouTube video, or man, look at the lighting on that. You're like, what is this person saying that's going to help me in my life? And you don't need expensive coaches either telling you how to do SEO, telling you that they're gonna mentor you and do all this stuff. My friend, the only thing that you need is me and this entire channel right here, because I walk you through step by step everything that I have done to have the success that I have now, so that you can also have that level of freedom. Number 2, you need to create a list of all the topics that people want to know about in your space. And you're not talking about everything. You're talking about something very specific. This is one of the keys to growing on YouTube. And I know it's hard when you first get started because you're like interested in all kinds of things if you're the majority of people. Like, we are multi-interested people, but you have to think about your audience. Who is the audience that you are attracting? Now, do you want to get behind the hood? Do you want me to get you behind the scene right here to something that I do that will help you as well? Yes? Good? Let's do it. Dun, dun, dun. Don't mind my kids' Spider-Man little thing here. Okay, so I'm just going to talk about the YouTube growth channel that you're watching right now. These are all the topics that people want to know about. And I know which one of these topics are most relevant, which people want to know about more. So I know where to focus my attention. For example, people want to know more than anything these 2 topics right here, how to get 100 subscribers and how to start a successful YouTube channel. You better believe that I'm creating a ton of videos around those topics. You need to do the exact same thing with your content on your channel. And then up here, I just rank videos in accordance with how they perform. That way, if something's performing very well on my channel, I'm gonna double down and do more of that. Pay attention to what your audience wants. Pay attention to what's working. Yes. All right, let's get you propped up, back up there. By the way, I'm filming on a Canon G7X, but when I first started my YouTube channel, I filmed entirely with my iPhone. Long videos, like 30, 40-minute cleaning related videos. So if you are going to upgrade your camera equipment, I do recommend a Canon G7X, but you do not need it. This is great for sit down videos. This is great for vlogging. I have my whole Amazon store linked in the description box below. Many of you have been asking me about that. All right, tip number 3 to help you have a successful channel in 2022 and beyond. Shorter videos, my friend, shorter videos. Now, I know you may have heard that watch time is queen on YouTube, and it absolutely is. However, when you have a small audience and you are just getting started, ain't no one sitting down to watch your 20-minute, your probably 18-minute video on something. It's just not gonna happen as often. And especially with YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels and shorter content videos, you wanna make shorter YouTube videos. People need a sense of completion when they watch your video. I personally, if I see someone has created a 20-25-minute video, I'm putting it on the back burner because I'm like, oh, I don't know if I have 25 minutes to watch this entire video. Again, it depends on the type of content that you're creating. If you are doing music related videos or studying related videos or anything related to meditation, those ones can be longer. But if you're sitting down or talking or demonstrating, shorter videos. You just dating somebody. I've said this before. You just dating the person on the other end of your camera, okay? You gotta build that relationship and time and audience before you can start making longer videos. If someone's searching for something, think about this for yourself. If you are searching for something, let's just say you're searching for how to install your wire-free mouse. Okay, let's just use that as an example. Okay, and you type that into your YouTube search bar. If there's a video that pops up that is 2 minutes and a video that pops up that is 15 minutes, which one are you gonna choose? You better believe I'm gonna be choosing the 2-minute video. If I can get my question answered in 2 minutes, it's a win. And then if that person has answered my question, I'm likely to watch more content on their YouTube channel. Yes, so overall you accumulate more watch time, but you gotta get the click to begin with. All right, before we get into my last simple tip to help you have a successful YouTube channel and make some money with your efforts, be sure to give this video a thumbs up so that I can reach more amazing people like you. Pay attention to those analytics, even as a small channel, even when you have a small amount of views, and you want to keep doing more of that. The goal is with YouTube is to build an audience around something or an audience's interest and keep them coming back for more. So if you have something that's doing well on your channel, double down on that baby. And it really helps to write things out like I just showed you here with my whiteboard. That is a foolproof way to help your channel grow faster and get more and more momentum. If you're making a video about X and the next time you make a video about B, the people that came for X probably are not going to watch content related to B. And then if you get content all over the place, every time you release a video, these people that came are going to pass by the video. And then this is what happens. YouTube stops promoting your YouTube channel. Yes, and then you feel stuck. So keep doing what is working and pay attention to those analytics. All right, my friend, you've been wondering how much money just from one revenue stream from one YouTube channel I have made with over 30 million views. I'm gonna point to it on screen now. My husband's gonna put a nice screenshot in here for me. Love you, honey. By the way, we are celebrating our 17-year anniversary today. Love you, boo. Now, if you're wanting to know how I went from foster care to building a 6-figure profitable YouTube channel and business, click this video on screen now. Give the video a thumbs up. Lots of freebies in that description box for you. And I will see you, my friend, in the next one.